Brian Fan17 here, and today I'm with multiple collectors. I'm Alex the Fan Man and Brandon, like I've been lately, but I'm also joined by
Donovan Parker.
And
alright, hey guys, Alex here, and and here's I'm sure a lot of collectors. Here's forgot their name. Here's Donovan Parker. There's Brian. Let's do demo mode first.
Okay.
Oh no.
Oh, it didn't work. Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
Fan, light, fan, light, fan.
Okay, let me do it.
Here, no, I'm not pressing it fast
Wait, let me
enough.
do.
Oh, come on. Alright, there we go.
there we go.
Let's say we have to restart the video now.
No.
No, we're good.
Should we turn off the lights?
Oh gosh.
Oh. Speed 1. Speed 2. Speed 3. Sorry about that.
We're good.
Speed 4. Speed 5.
Speed 5.
Speed 6.
6.
That moves a lot of freaking air.
Yeah.
We couldn't put the glass on because it was just like too complicated.
We're just like a pain in the ass.
It was a pain. It was really a pain. Oh.
Oh yeah, the glass, we don't know how to get that on. So yeah. Oh, the glass is on the ground there.
Yeah,
Is the Zephyr going up next?
Yeah.
The date, we're gonna test the date or not.
I know one too.
Next,
Da,
the
da,
date.
da,
I don't
da.
think I've seen a single date in here yet.
Now, what is it doing now?
It just turns off.
I
Oh,
think
okay.
that's it. That's all
Alright, that's demo mode.
I turn the power off, so it's gonna not.
Do we need to do all the speeds?
Yeah, do.
Okay.
Alright,
So,
speed
we
1.
just
On
did
the
that.
light.
That's the light.
1.
Super aesthetic world.
Bro, what do you do?
Well, we already demo mode just went over this, but
Press for long enough. There we go. But okay, what are you? Okay.
Oh, we're going all the way up.
when you get an above shot, oh yeah.
On speed 5.
It's a little bit wobbly. The blade's bent. but-
Alright, the blades are pretty bad.
Is it bent?
Okay. Blowing a lot of air.
I don't think anything's bent. It just might be out
Here's
of
with it
balance.
with the light off.
Bro, it's the same thing, alright?
And maybe something is bent. I don't know.
Well, one blade is bent
Okay.
down. Speed 6.
Oh, wait.
Bruh.
I thought that was speed 6. It was speed 5. Okay.
Bruh.
There we go.
It moves a lot of air.
Very.
Everybody's getting close up and it's very awesome.
It's very well.
Zoom in.
I would get a close up, but I'm on my tripod.
Top shot.
I'll do top shot.
I'll do
I
top
have the
shot.
ladder, dude.
And
I get
it wobbles.
the best top shot.
Yeah. I'm
You
gonna
can't go
go
this high up,
I'm gonna
man.
like back up all the way over here.
There's a freaking spider over there.
Well, yeah, you don't have a ladder. I do.
You look, there's a spider over there.
So let's turn
There's a
it
spider
off.
over there.
Oh!
Well, you feel the whole rig sort of shaking around.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah, let's turn it off.
Let's do reverse.
Oh yeah.
Spin down.
Dude, you forget about everything, alright?
No, I don't know why. Why do people like
Oh,
spin
are we
down?
doing spin down?
No, we're not.
No, we're not.
Oh, we're just gonna pass on spin down?
We're
Yeah,
gonna
nobody
do
likes
we're gonna
the
pass on
reverse,
spin
and then
down.
We're gonna pass on spin down.
Where's the freaking spider?
I
What?
don't know.
This is
I'm
the
stop
first
filming.
thing.
I'm not.
Then
trying
we
to-
have
Really
a
time
Zephyr.
Yeah, we're just gonna skip
And
spin
then
down tonight.
altitude.
Yeah.
What do you like
They
spin down?
I don't know, spin down, I mean.
We got
Well,
that
it's gonna take too much time because we have so much
approach.
fans test.
Turn it
Oh,
off.
I already did.
Turn it off. Right now.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And
Yep.
Hope you guys enjoyed the
Yeah,
video
hope
and
you
thank you for
guys enjoyed
watching.
the video. Thanks for watching.
Don't
And
forget to
remember
subscribe.
Comment, rate,
Bye.
and subscribe.